Today, we're diving into the Apogee Wyde I-75 ohms SDIF RCA cable, a staple found in many professional studios. Known for its robust build and impeccable signal transmission, this composite cable boasts a male-to-male RCA connector configuration, ensuring seamless audio connectivity. The distinctive purple color not only sets it apart visually, but also signifies its reliability in demanding studio environments. The Apogee Wyde I cable shines in its 5.0-meter length, offering ample reach without sacrificing signal integrity. Whether you're connecting digital audio interfaces, mastering equipment, or studio monitors, this cable delivers consistent performance. The 75-ohm impedance ensures minimal signal loss, maintaining fidelity from source to output. Crafted by Apogee, a brand synonymous with high-end audio solutions, this cable is engineered to meet the rigorous standards of professional audio production. It's designed to minimize interference and maximize signal clarity, making it a go-to choice for audio engineers and producers worldwide. In conclusion, the Apogee Wyde I-75 ohms SDIF RCA cable stands as a testament to quality and reliability in studio settings. With its durable construction, optimal length, and superior signal transmission capabilities, it's no surprise why this cable remains a preferred option among industry professionals. Whether you're setting up a new studio or upgrading your current setup, the Apogee Wyde I cable ensures that your audio signals are transmitted with precision and clarity, making it an essential tool for any serious audio enthusiast or professional.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.